Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress theme used. So a lot of people want to know a particular WordPress theme that is used on a particular website. There are several ways to achieve this, and depending on your access to the site, if you don't have access to the site, you can always check it using tools like scanwp.net and other tools that can help you. So what WordPress theme use? You can use this. What wp-team is that.com, or you can use wp-team-detector.com or scanwp. And once you go ahead and pop up the URL of the site you're trying to check the theme for, this site will reveal the theme used on that site. So let's go ahead and pop this and see what WordPress theme is that. So you see, it brings out the result that Just Video is actually the theme that's used on the website shortcrashcourse.com. The same thing you can achieve with scanwp.net, and there are other ways to do that too. Another way or option is just to go to the site, right click on it and click on view page source. Once the page source comes, you use the Control F command and then search for the word theme, and you're going to see a URL that contains the location of the theme and the name of the theme that is used on that site. Except otherwise, the source code of the site has been optimized to hide this information. So let's go ahead and click on theme. So you see, you have theme here and you have Just Video, which is the name of the theme that is used there. And if you scroll down, you also see WP content, themes, Just Video. So that's another way to check the theme that you're using on or someone is using on WordPress. So guys, that'll be all for now on what WordPress theme use. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.